Happy Friday and quadruple witching day to you. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. So far, volatility has been rather tame in the market today with that options expiration underway. The RVX, which measures implied vol in the Russell, is on the low end of the range for the past 5 days. It's right around an 18. The VIX is around 13. So that tells me that portfolio protection out there is still on the inexpensive side. The Fed gave us another cut this week. Lower interest rates tend to be a positive for small cap companies. The Russell this week remained in a tight trading range with a high of 1588 and a low of 1559. Trading today right around 1564. In the options market, it was another big week for call buyers stepping up. Today, the ratio is one call trading for about 1.5 puts. And right around the time that the Fed was getting ready to make the announcement and after, we saw again a lot of call buying. In fact, for the most part, one call trading for every one put. The straddle for next week is suggesting a move of 1.8% up or down possible. Also, we want to talk more about those call buyers in Rocktober right after the break, so don't go anywhere. Let's get to some trader talk now with Paul Foster. And I have to say, the Russell is holding beautifully above 1,500 this week. We mentioned those call buyers out in October. The 1630 strike is active. What are you seeing here, Pauline? What is this telling you about this market?
Hey, traders feel still there's optimism going in for the next 5 weeks. That's why they're purchasing those calls. And they're optimistic for reasons of the earnings cycle coming forward.
What else are you seeing in call buying action?
Call buying action also in the December calls, approximately the 1650 calls are also active.
So this is going to continue potentially. The Russell sometimes rallies into the end of the year. What about the put players? Are they in the market as well?
I can see the puts trading in December, the December 1180 puts. Now we have the earnings cycle, and we also have Brexit exit in the last week of October, and we have another FOMC mini in the last week of October.
So people taking advantage of that low cost protection in the market on the Russell. Good to have you here. That's a wrap for now. I'm Angela Miles. Have a great Friday, everybody.